God says, "It is great to know what I desire from each person, but it is necessary to live the way I desire for each person." I don't just want you to know that living away from sin is good and it is what I desire, but I want you to actually live that way. It is easier said than done, but if you commit your life to me every day, it can be done. I love you. Vibe of the day. Tell yourself, "I am not going to stress about anything anymore, cause I know no matter what it is going to be taken care of just as everything else has been in my life. So long as I remain committed to myself, find happiness and peace in each given moment, and surrender to the things I cannot change. I know my life will be good. I know all is well." Now carry on. Type yes if you agree. The universe is saying to you, new unique ideas are downloading to be expressed through the heart space. This energy was intentional, suppressed by emotional attacks from others. Those painful experiences caused a disconnect from the consciousness, bottling up emotions through not being allowed to think or feel. This pattern is over, bringing hope and optimism to focus on. Help the inner child feel safe and loved to playfully explore what is downloading. This is the right divine timing to receive this plan and naturally create it with joy. Type Amen if you believe.